Hi, I'm Ian Lundy, the Chief Investment Officer of Tasplan. I'm going to talk to you today about recent investment performance and how we've got the portfolio positioned, also about the Royal Commission into Banking Financial Services and the recent federal budget. Investment returns remain strong, but with more volatility since the start of 2018. We expect lower medium-term returns as central banks raise interest rates from record low levels. We've positioned the portfolio with less government debt and a greater exposure to high-quality property and infrastructure. We also have more exposure to international shares than Australian shares to take advantage of the greater breadth of opportunities. This has also helped in recent times as Australian shares have a high exposure to banks which have suffered following the revelations at the Royal Commission. In summary, superannuation is a long-term investment and our 10-year returns remain extremely strong. We believe we have the portfolio positioned to do very well over the next 10 years. The Royal Commission continues and so far has covered lending and financial advice. There has been a lot of focus on commission-based incentives and some of the problems that these can create. I'd like to focus on an unintended consequence that may arise from the Royal Commission. As a result of the Royal Commission, banks are likely to focus more on safe borrowers, and it may get harder for many borrowers to borrow money. They will also make tougher assumptions when assessing a loan, so loans are likely to be for a smaller amount of money. The combination of less loans for smaller amounts of money could lead to a credit crunch and in turn to lower property prices. Our fund is well positioned if this were to occur. And finally, to the recent federal budget. There were a few items in the budget that impact super. These mostly relate to protecting members with low balances from the effect of fees and insurance. There were also some items that impact investments into infrastructure, but these will have very little impact on Tasplan's fund. Thanks for watching. If you need any more information, then please give us a call here at Tasplan.